Digital systems track every batch. Nothing is lost in the process. Early morning shifts begin before sunrise. Engines start humming across the yard.
Energy efficiency is a top priority. Less waste, more productivity.
Even rail tracks are made here, built to handle massive weight.
Secure that section before the lift.
Done, Supervisor.
All right, bring it in steady.
Flames burst bright inside the chamber. Heat transforms scrap into liquid power. From small towns to big cities, recycled iron supports every project. Old iron scrap arrives at the factory in heavy trucks. This is where the recycling journey begins.
Reading consistent. It's clean scrap.
Confirmed. Approved for transfer.
Recycling saves natural resources, protecting iron ore for the future.
Refining agents remove final impurities. Purity makes the iron stronger. Rotating drums clean scrap from all sides. Every piece is thoroughly washed.
Mixed heavy steel and aluminum. Lot 42 confirmed. Recording condition is fair, minor contaminants present.
Skyscrapers depend on strong steel frames. Bridges rely on iron's strength.
This is America's iron cycle. Scrap today, skyscraper tomorrow.
Washed scrap moves to the drying section. Extra moisture is removed.
Water cooling systems reduce heat quickly. Steam clouds rise dramatically.